Hello everyone, I welcome you all to D2R Design Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the latest job notification released by NITS. So it stands for National Institute of Silchar. So it's located in Assam. So the last date for this application is 2nd July 2021. The web link will be provided in the description. So in this video, we will discuss about the complete application procedure, the job profiles available, and the candidates from which stream can apply for the available post. So like this, I will be bringing out latest videos on job updates and notifications in private as well as government sector. So subscribe to my channel to stay updated and click on the like button if you like my video. So now moving forward with the application procedure. So first let us understand what are the job updates or what are the profiles available. So here as you can see, the job profiles available are many. Among them the notifiable are the registrar, deputy registrar, librarian, medical officer, junior assistant, junior engineer, technical assistant, Hindi officer, among the few. You can go through the. Now today in this slide I will only discuss about the technical assistant and junior engineer post, whereas the above post also I will be discussing in the later part of the video. First I will discuss about these two posts, technical assistant and junior engineer. So now moving forward with the technical assistant post. So in this post, as you can see, the candidates from any engineering stream can apply. Either he can be from CSC, mechanical, IT, civil, EEE, EC can apply for this post. And the essential educational requirements are, there are 4 requirements. Among them, candidates can be from any one stream. So the candidate can have bachelor's degree from any university or institute. Next, the candidate can also have diploma. If he is a diploma candidate, he can also apply for it. If he is diploma candidate, if he is engineering graduate can apply, and MCA candidates as well. Next we have bachelor's degree in sciences, BSc candidates can also apply, or else MSc candidates can also apply for them. So there are these 4 qualifications. If candidate is from any of these different streams, he can apply for it, and he should have 50% of marks in equivalent grades. Now the pay scale would be from rupees 35,400 to 1,12,000. It's in the pay level 6, and the age limit is he should not be more than 30 years of age. So you can go through the profile. Right. Now moving forward with the junior engineer post. In this, the candidates can be from civil or electrical engineering post. So those 2 stream candidates can only apply for this post. The requirements are, he can be a bachelor's graduate, engineering graduate, or he can be a diploma candidate. So if you are having a diploma degree, you can apply. If you are having engineering degree, also you can apply. Next, about the pay scale is same. It's 35,400 to 1,12,000 in the level 6, and the age limit remains the same. It should not be more than 30 years. You can go through the profile. Now next I will be discussing about the vacancies as well as the selection criteria. So the age vacancies are for the both 2 posts, the technical assistant, junior engineer and the SS technician. There are 37 vacancies. Total vacancies are 37. Among them unreserved are 17, SC 5, ST 2, OBC 9, AWS 3 and PWD 1. So physically handicapped candidates can also apply for this. Selection criteria would be, there will be a direct recruitment, so there will not be any examination or something. So based upon your application, and if possible they might take interview as well. So this is about the job profile. Now we will move to the official website, where I will discuss about few other vacancies as well and application procedure. Hello friends, you can see here, this is the official website nits.ac.in. I will provide in the description as well. Now when you move forward to the career website, career page, you will see there are notification about non-teaching posts, and there is for application procedure. So about this advertisement, Here you can say it's for technical assistant, right? There are 37 vacancies, so it's in Assam. Now for registrar, the requirement is he should have at least 15 years of experience as an assistant professor. So here there are many vacancies. Here the requirement is he should have master's degree and 9 years of experience, deputy registrar. And for assistant registrar, he should have master's degree and also serving as an superintendent at any private sector. Okay. Now next, about the librarian, he should have master's in library sciences with GPA of 6.5 in 10. Next, we have medical officer. It will be direct. He should have MBBS degree with a post-graduation qualification is required, and age should not be more than 35 years. Hindi officer, few candidates are also requesting for Hindi technicals officer. So here you can see he can have a master's degree in Hindi or else master's degree in English with Hindi as a subject. Okay. Or master's degree in any recognized university other than Hindi or English with Hindi medium and English as a compulsory subject. So here either you should have studied Hindi or you should have a master's in Hindi. 3 years experience is required. Desirable, anyone who has studied 8th to 10th can apply for this. So now moving forward with our technical assistant, already completed about this. Now about the junior engineer, I have already completed. Now few points that I want to discuss is the application should be made only online. First method of application is online. After applying online, what you need to do is you must email your application form to this email address nfapt_21@nis.ac.in. So this is most important thing. If you just apply it online, your application will not be accepted. You have to send the email as well. The last date I have already discussed, and there are few forms I will also discuss in the application. So one more thing is all qualification and experience will be recognized as on the last date. So the requirements are for 15 years. So at the last date, if someone is achieving 15 years, he can apply for this. He should have active email address and phone number, and candidates are requested to visit website regularly. And if anyone is applying for more than one post, he should submit more than one application form. Now if you see over here, this is the application link. When you click over here, you reach out to this page where you have to first submit you have to fill your declaration form. So declaration form is this, where you have to fill your details, which post you are applying for, and your name and application and your date of submission. Right? You have to do your signature again over here. This is your self-declaration form. After this, you have to have your proof of age certificate, date of birth certificate. You can apply for this. Class 10th mark sheet and certificate, diploma mark sheet if your diploma candidate is applying, or else class 12th mark sheet. Next you have graduation sheet, post graduation. If anyone is applying for PhD post, he should have PhD degree as well. If applicable, means if he is a PhD candidate applying for a PhD post, he should submit it. And all these file sizes should be 15 MB and they should be in PDF. Okay, experience certificate, caste certificate. If anyone is applying for SC, ST, EWS category, he should have caste or PWD certificates as well. Now NOC if anyone is applying from a government or semi-government organization. Okay, next clearance certificate if he is applying for, this is not applicable for junior engineer post. Okay. Next your passport size photo. After this you can submit your application. So first you will have to do online registration. Next you have to click on application submit. Right? So this was all about the application procedure. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, you can reach out to me in the comment section. I will try to solve them. So if you like my video, click on the like button. Till then, thank you, stay strong, stay safe.